Hey everyone, it's ShadowClaws AJ here, and today I am doing a new video. This is actually my first video, and it's just getting started, so yeah. So today I will be doing a giveaway. Yay! To enter, you must subscribe, like this video, put your reason and your status, and this would be like your reason why you want to win, and if you are a member / non-member. And the last thing that you need to do is tell me why you like Easter. So that is how you enter this giveaway. Oh, and by the way, I need to tell you what we're giving away. So I am giving away glitched festive lights. Yep, I said that. The one that is yellow right here. So, yes, I am giving away this. Alright, so make sure to enter so you can win these festive lights. Yeah! Make sure to subscribe, like this video, tell your username and your status, and what was the last one? Oh, and why you like Easter. So make sure you do that so you can win. Yay! But yeah, please don't tell me lies. Like, a lot of people like to do stuff like, oh, well, my friend is at the hospital. Normally, I don't believe that. So, yeah. So just make sure to go ahead and enter. You will have a better chance of winning because since I'm not very famous, not many people will enter, so you have more likely of a chance. Alright. Bye, jammers. I don't have an intro or outro yet, so just deal with this. Alright, bye.